641 Heavy, monitor ground point 9 as you taxi.
Monitor ground point 9, KLM 641 Heavy.
Etihad 4687, monitor ground point 9 as you taxi. Have a good day.
9, big care, 4687, take care.
One Heavy, runway heading, contact you.
Runway heading, Nippon, Lufthansa 401, bye-bye.
One able to left on the Ranger transition, contact you.
1953, good day.
409, have you in 27017, got 24, only 2 track 1. Well, remain the circle.
Morning, JetBlue 406, 309.
406, Kennedy Tower, good morning, coast rate turbulence, Super Airbus 380 short final, wind 29.014, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, we'll cross the Super JetBlue 406, thanks.
Blue 925, Ranger transition, contact New York departure, good day.
Position to departure, JetBlue 925, good day.
Heavy contact near departure, that's all.
4959, left on Whiskey, taxi left Alpha, monitor ground, good day.
Left Alpha, monitor ground.
636 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
31 left, line up wait, Delta 636 Heavy.
5 Kennedy Tower, swearing to Kennedy crossover, success requested, Kennedy altimeter 2995. Coast rate turbulence, full taps overhead, maintain VFR, out of below 1000, out of below 1000.
Over 1000 conduit to GHC, clear on Bravo, 045, thanks.
Blue 1107, Yankee transition, contact New York departure, good day.
Transition order departure, good day, 11-7.
255 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, 22 right line, boy, coast way, airborne.
2 direct, line up, wait. Knock 5055.
Contact you departure, good night.
Heavy Kennedy Tower, wind 310 at 18, gust 25. Wind shear, gain a loss of, that's a loss of 10 knots, that's 200. You're following a heavy 747, short final, caution wing turbulence from that. Runway 22 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 22 right, Delta 99 Heavy.
If you're still here, you can contact me at departure today.
Departure, chapter 1543, same name.
Left here, Whiskey, taxi left Alpha, Mount Adan today.
Alpha, Mark,
1691 Kennedy Tower, cross right turbulence, runway 31 left, ground away. 31 left, for 1691. Number 1 CRC, are you familiar with the Just Beach CFR? It's going active now.
We navigate around the CFR for 100.
Also to the north. South for 100. 51 Heavy, Yankee transition, contact New York departure today.
Transition contact departure, Hawaii 51 Heavy. Good day.
Clear of 22 right, you want us with you or ground monitor?
You're going on Alpha the rest of the way, thank you, have a good day.
You do the same, take care.
You want Heavy Kennedy Tower, we'll reach into right, line up and wait. Wait it on, this is right, Cathay 841. Officer 11, squawk 0327 ident. 327. 720, crossing 3 left at Kilo, straight ahead to Alpha to the ramp and monitor point 9.
31 left at Kilo and straight ahead, monitor ground, make up stand 40.
Japan Air 6 Heavy at Juliet, cross runway to right, then left onto Bravo. Give way to that FWARE before joining Bravo, please.
Runway 23 onto Juliet. Left on Bravo, Japan Air 6 Heavy.
Heavy, thank you. 1 Tom Bravo, monitor point 9.
1.9, 1 tower, Japan Air 6 Heavy.
Breakout 4358, Kennedy Tower, caution the wake turbines, runway 22 right, line up, away traffic, going across Northfield. Romeo Heavy crossing to Detroit at Juliet, follow the traffic ahead onto Bravo, monitor point 9.
There's 17 Romeo Heavy, cross 22 right at Juliet, and then point 9 on the other side on Bravo.
31 Heavy, contact your departure, good day. Good day. 4985, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
line up weight, they're 4985.
2420, right is here, Mike Charlie, taxi right Papa and Bravo, monitor rendezvous.
Charlie, right, Papa, Bravo, ground, Delta 2420.
There's 4985, wind 290 14, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, they're 4985.
887, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, cloud and wait.
Cloud wait, just leave this out. Tower Delta and Heavy is cleared at hotel right now. They'll have us wait on the ramp for the push.
22 right, you are not released, just give me a moment, okay? Delta 45 Heavy, left departure of the 777, caution wing turbulence. The 635 Heavy, you can maintain 5,000 again.
5000 again, even 635.
Give us 635 Heavy, contact nearest departure.
Depart.
635 Heavy, contact nearest departure.
Departure, good day, even 635.
American 654, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, kilo echo, line up and greet.
31 left, kilo echo.
5012, Kennedy Tower, maintain 4,000, runway 31 left, kilo echo, line up and greet. Will be about 3 minutes holding in position.
Okay, line up and wait. 31 left, kilo echo, maintain 4,000.
Endeavour 5469, Kennedy Tower, caution wing turbulence from this arrival, traffic 6 mile final, maintain 4,000, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Contact nearest departure, have a good day. American 67 Heavy, left zone Alpha, Monix down 0.9 today.
Alpha, Honor, ground point is there.
641 Heavy, Kilo 3 and Kilo, hold short of Kilo 4, no delay to the runway, traffic in position, traffic on final.
It's Kilo, and then Kilo 3, hold short Kilo 4, exciting, get up at 641 Heavy. And we're with wing turbines up to 1994.
Heavy, flying Yankee transition, contact New York departure today.
Position, contact departure, Wilco, Virgin 260 Pivot. Good day.
32, Cargolux Alpha to the ramp, mounted ramp today. 1917, wind 290-14, with a 31 left, clear for takeoff.
I'm clear for takeoff, Delta 1917.
611, Yankee transition, contact New York departure today.
December 611.
39 Hotel Foxtrot, leaving my area, 10 miles east, further service terminates, squawk VFR, frequency change approved today.
Frontier 1810, cross runway 22 right at Golf, taxi right Alpha to your ramp and monitor ground point enter.
Alright, we're going to cross runway 22 right at Golf, taxi via Alpha, monitoring ground point 9, Frontier flight 1810.
Tower, Big Air 4365, 22 left. Audi 022 Heavy, fly runway heading, contact New York departure.
Yep, contact departure, Saudia 022.
You're at 4365 Kennedy Tower, following heavy A330, 6.5 miles ahead, caution wake turbulence, wind 280 at 14, runway 22 left, cleared to land. 2 left, cleared to land, Big Air 4365. Number 1 Sierra Sierra, you're leaving the Kennedy Class Bravo airspace 8 miles to the west, radar service terminated, squawk VFR and frequency change approved.
29015, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, JetBlue 2904.
2227, wind 29015, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff, company's 3 out.
Clear for takeoff, Delta 2227.
149, runway heading, contact New York departure, have a good day.
Departure JetBlue 149.
Two heavy exit Juliet, hold short, runway 22 right.
Okay, Juliet, hold short, runway 22 right, selecting into 12.
Juliet, hold short at runway 22 right.
Yeah, short at 22 right, outside 93 heavy.
The 23 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, caution wake turbulence.
Line up and wait, Delta 22.
American 3186, taxi Juliet, hold short at runway 22 right.
Short at 22 right, American 3186.
Emirates 5 Victor Super, maintain 4,000.
4000, Emirates 5 Victor Super.
5 Victor Super, fly runway heading, contact New York departure.
Departure runway heading, Emirates 5 Victor Super, thank you.
93 Heavy, cross runway 22 right, what's your gate number?
22 right, and Bravo 36 Kilo, Golf Entry.
93 Heavy, straight ahead Alpha to your ramp, monitor ground point 9er.
C15, 129016, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff on the
5007 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up way, traffic request on field. T91, runway heading, contact New York departure, have a good day.
T91, good day.
101 Heavy Juliet, Zulu, hold short of Golf. Contact the ramp, see where you need to park and advise.
Juliet, Zulu, hold short of Golf, Uzbek. 101, contact, say again please.
Check the ramp, see where they want you to park, and please let me know.
Uzbek, 101, thank you.
contact near departure today.
Contact departure Turkish 6904. Bye-bye.
Bye. In 2819, traffic from out final, running 31 left, line up and wait.
31 left, American 2819.
Heavy, what's the gate number?
The gate's 41.
47 Heavy, cross, change your right, Juliet, left on, go straight Alpha actually, straight Alpha, monitor ground.
Alpha, monitor ground, Delta 47 Heavy, clear to cross, change your right.
Delta 1034, Juliet, cross, change your right, where you parking?
Cross, change your right, 33 is the Hotel Bravo.
Delta 47, say that gate number again?
Delta 41.
So Delta 47, you're going to go right on Bravo, monitor ground.
Bravo, monitor ground.
Hello, morning, 34, you're Bravo 33. Before cross, Juliet right, Juliet, right Bravo, monitor ground.
Juliet right, Juliet, right on Bravo, monitor ground.
858 Heavy, contact departure.
Departure, Etihad, ticketing.
Care 5573.
To 186, the wind 290 at 12 gust 21, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
2 right, clear for takeoff, jet 186.
1533, contact near departure.
Departure, jet 1537, go 1.
Minus 20, you can proceed as requested. You do have traffic 2 miles to your southeast at 500 feet. In 3186, cross runway 22 right, straight ahead Alpha to your ramp, monitor ground point 9er.
Cross 22 right, Alpha to the ramp, monitor point 9er, 3186.
005, cross runway 22 right, where do you enter the ramp?
Today, Caribbean Airlines 005.
005, taxi to your ramp.
Cross 22 right, by Hotel Caribbean Airlines 005.
5 Romeo Heavy, fly runway heading, contact New York, departure.
Thank you, departure 5 Romeo. Tower Delta 47 Heavy, left. Heavy is with you on the ILS 22 right.
19 Kane, Tower, course right, turbulence 22 right, line of weight, maintain 4,000.
Line of weight, maintain 4,000, jet reporting.
3 Heavy Kane, Tower, 22 right, boost final approach speed now, couple plus priority, you clear to land, wind 280 at 18 gust 22.
On the final approach speed now, clear to land, Delta 183. 3 kilo to hold short, kilo 4, Condor.
American 797, Juliet cross, to right, make the left on Bravo. Left Bravo, monitor 0.9.
Clear cross, 22 right, left on Bravo, monitor 0.9, American 797.
47 heavy, Juliet, hold short, to right.
Hold short, to right, Delta 47.
203, Juliet, heavy contact here, forward trip, good day.
Hold short, to Juliet, good day.
20 landing short. Is 20 landing short. Delta 1514, wind 290 at 14, gust 21, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 22 right, Delta 1514.
JetBlue 1071, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
2 right, line up and wait, JetBlue 1071.
JetBlue 315, fly runway heading, contact New York departure.
Heading, going to departure, JetBlue 315, good day.
Jet 315 with the ILS 22 left. Jet 315, Kennedy Tower, previous arrival was a heavy Boeing 777, caution wake turbulence, wind 300 at 14, gust 21, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Heavy contact, need to pause, good night. And, pretty heavy.
Monitor 0.9.
Get your right on Juliet, right turn Alpha, breakout 5696. So you want to step to 117 to monitor the rest?
17 affirmative. Sure, monitor down the rest of the way. Have a good day.
I'm going to step to 117.
Heavy exit at Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right.
And hold us up to the right, Dolphin 1, heavy.
Transfer 4304 heavy, amend altitude, maintain
contact near departure again.
Nothing near departure, just 4304.
Amend altitude, maintain 4,000, wind 30016, gust 24, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff. Heavy, cross to right, Juliet, straight ahead on Alpha, monitor ground, 29.
Number 400, cross runway 22 right, and 2 straight ahead, Alpha, and ground, 19.
Good heavy, actually it's going to go left of Bravo, left Bravo. Number 400, heavy, left Bravo.
Number 400, left Bravo, okay.
26, cross to right, Juliet, right on Alpha to your ramp, monitor ground.
I kick you right on Alpha to the ramp,
15 heavy right to the end, cross runway 3 on left to Zulu.
Make it at the end, cross runway 31 left at Zulu, 2615.
Contact you, departure, assault.
200 spots in there, 100 heavy, bye.
Monitor ground, Emirates, 69 Romeo.
5200, contact near departure, good night.
You're never 5200, good day.
Kenny Tower, runway 22 right on Hawaiian.
Alright, and about wing turbine, 00.
Lufthansa 410 Super, turn right on Kilo. Advise the status of your game.
That's 410, right turn on Kilo.
runway, cross runway 22 right, hotel, left on Bravo.
Cross 22 right at hotel, then left on Bravo, exit 826. Wind 280 runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
1641.
1907 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, Delta 1907.
293, runway heading, contact near departure gate.
Back to runway heading, get presented manager. 74 hotel entry. Okay. Heavy cross through on left at taxiway Kilo, straight ahead taxiway Alpha. I see again, straight ahead Alpha, monitor ground, 219.
Kilo, cross 31, left Alpha, and monitor ground, Delta 79.
Exchange of races here. Heavy line. Contact near departure.
Até departure, vamos lá na heavy.
.504 runway heading to 4000, contact 1359.
Order departure.
.4919, the wind 30 at 13, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
2 right, clear for takeoff and deliver 4919.
JetBlue 137, Canary.
Tower, American 45 Heavy, we're final for runway 22 right.
550 County Tower, hello, runway 22 right, clear to land.
To land on 22 right, American 45.
Air 550, contact near departure, good night.
Air 505, thank you, good day.
539, 4 unfortunate.
Contact you departure guide.
Departure 986. Kennedy, Tower, full miles, 183.20. Wind 30015, runway 22 left, clear to land.
2 left, clear to land here, 207.
Number 4984, you can contact me on departure. Have a good day.
Departure, Virign, number 4984.
East 31 Heavy, contact me on departure today.
Yeah, departure today, Sherman. K Tower, runway 22 right, line up wait. Line up wait, 22 right to Blue 9. Heavy, exit right, turn right on Kilo, this frequency.
Kilo 3, right on Kilo, stay on frequency, service 167.
Cooling temperature,
1, turn left on the range transition, contact you.
Range transition, contact departure rail 101.
Dynasty 5321 Heavy, runway heading, contact you.
Heading, departure, Dynasty 5321-3.
Runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Left, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 741.
You're going to 28. Tower Delta 9, visual approach,
1360, continue on Bravo at Alpha 4, join Alpha and monitor ground today.
4 join Alpha, monitor ground point 900, 1360.
1993 Kennedy Tower, wind 290 at 15.
Yeah.
Two departures prior to your arrival, also be a part traffic helicopter eastbound 500, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Okay, 7, turn left by the Ranger transition, contact you departure.
Turn to the Ranger transition, departure Delta 1387, good day.
Heavy, runway heading, contact you departure.
Departure, Condor 2017, bye-bye.
Contact new departure, good night.
Delta 1855.
Left 410, transition to the right.
410 Super Kennedy Tower, course my Airbus A380-800 down, runway 22 right, clear to land.
Left 410 to the right, to the left.
200 Kennedy Tower, 92 right, off away, traffic 7 mile follow. Just confirm on course runway 31 right of Delta Bravo, monitor Tower 1239. Tower, sir. Stand 5 Heavy Kennedy Tower, course line terminal, showing 22 right off away.
22 right up on way, just on down 5.
So go, you can go all the way down to Papa Charlie. Turn right at Papa Charlie. Left onto Quebec.
into the ramp, this frequency.
Take the runway all the way down to Pompano, the right turn, and I'm sorry, a left turn rather, and go back to the ramp.
Super contact near Export, good night.
DOT Passer will take Korea 082 Super.